First of all, we are very satisfied, happy to be here in Shillong for the first time with the national team.
We never thought there will be such a nice practice field and a stadium like this, but it is very nice, and we hope for a good match here.
Famous for their love for the sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.
Kayum Grakam Udapati Commissioner Deilang ke District Disaster Management Authority DDMA West Jaiñtia Hills Deiwa Krelang wakiu bon kichnat sorkar ini recim bentalang ki hak state level mock drill exercise ya kini mock drill exercise West Jaiñtia Hills District department hajuai ha amnaram civil subdivision wa thaleskin blong ya kini mock drill department dewa pyndur khih khmi wa khlanbor prapenyaw hak reach the scale hak bon kitau hajuai dependur wa in hadawal fuse la thalabo wa or khandaw riat system bypass road wa or cibenta kala thalbo secondary school wa ilai erap jana ka One India Family Mart wa em halum soyung delang ha Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital wa em moslengkan kiwi de kitau depan MKM to kamadan kakiang nang ba Government College nilang kibru wa to ikam ramyong ki wa wan ijarap nang kong namo first responder delang ki wa pelaj ye kibru wa citom wa menso kamjo ki wa idawai depan yo ki kamon uto ule ye ini wara dewa pentikna wa jangan ki pajba.